So here's the unboxing. That's my assistant Caleb. And he's gonna help me put together this bike. It's the X-Spec folding bike. It's supposed to be easy to put together. Let's see. It came almost put together completely. Here's the saddle, the seat. I don't know what's in here. I don't know what's in there. Here's a strap, and here's the wheel. There's the tire. There's the frame. I found the instruction manual, but if you see there are tools required, not included. I was able to find a bit for a Phillips screwdriver and some wrenches, but everything is in metric, and I tried to convert it, get a conversion chart for the wrenches, and needed some Allen wrenches, so need to go through the toolbox again and see the conversion chart. But for now I'm going to try to put together what can snap on or can just be assembled by hand without using these tools. So it's a little more frustrating than I thought it would be. I attached the kickstand, I think that's the right position, and next I will be unfolding the bike, taking out this rod here and putting the wheel on, and then adjusting the handlebar into place. bike fully assembled. Put on the seat. I decided to keep the front fender on for now because it comes with the reflector. I put in the front wheel incorrectly. I put this under, and this should go outside, so if you see the brake system here. Tightened up the brakes here. And then I found there's this little scratch here. I'm not sure if this was done during the unboxing or if it came this way. Also, another feature is these pedals can be folded in. Let's see how this works. And let's see it folded up.